Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Afar, and Tigray region is that viewers, in the previous videos, I inform you that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered the Afar region, and heavy fighting is going on in Afar's Yallo Worida, and it is also claimed by the Afar regional state that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered the Afar's Yallo Worida. And latest report is that many Tigray Defense Force sources claim that Afar regional forces have joined the Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, from many reports, the soldiers of the Ethiopian National Defense Force have also reached the areas of the Afar region where the war is going on. And from several sources, Eritrean soldiers are also present in the many areas of Afar region. Because many reliable sources claims that Tigray Defense Force has defeated the soldiers of Ethiopian National Defense Force in many areas in Afar region, due to which many Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers have entered in Eritrea. But according to several sources, the war has stopped in Afar region and several areas in Yallo Worida under the control of Tigray Defense Force. But so far, there is no clear statement about it. Yes, there are two reasons why Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered the Afar region. The first reason is that Tigray Defense Force is trying to get control of Simira and then access to main roads which combines Djibouti and Ethiopia. And this road is very important for Ethiopia. But according to the reports, the place where the fight took place is far away from Simira and any main roads. So, the other reason is that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are taking control of the areas which situated along Afar Tigray border, because Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies are prevented from entering the Tigray region, especially in Almata, Koram, in Raya region. Viewers, and while Amhara forces and Ethiopian army are making many statements about war in Tigray, so Tigray Defense Force is taking control of the areas along the Tigray-Afar border. And according to the latest reports, Tigray Defense Force sources are claiming that Afar regional forces have joined Tigray Defense Force. So viewers, so far the latest update about it. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.